In fact, we arrived to New York still after the economic downturn of the 70s and 80s,
Yeah.
and I was actually kind of surprised. I thought, we got these, or at least I had this impression that America is perfect and everything is perfectly clean, everybody lives in skyscrapers in New York. But so I saw graffiti, and I saw the subway in a terrible shape, and I thought, well, I just can't. I lived in a small city. Metros are new to me. But when we went to the American Embassy in Moscow for the interview for the asylum, and we saw the metro in Moscow, especially in the center, and it's just shiny with sculptures, I thought, this is America? So strange. So. And also just this very utilitarian construction, just brick box buildings, whereas my town is Hungarian historically. It was part of the Austrian Empire. You see some pretty nice architecture, not very well maintained. A lot of things were in shambles, not very clean, but there was this old glory of well-ornamented buildings. Everything was kind of cute, and New York was a little bit of a shock that way. But yeah, New York was beginning to get better in the 90s. But my experience with America at first was just that, wow, very different food, much more diverse, a lot of new tasty things. It was quite a change. Very glittery Manhattan, of course. To a child, it's all pretty amazing. Being able to live by the coast, to be able to just go to the beach, just everything that New York offered was just so much more broad than the town I come from. But in terms of personal relations, America was still my family. We speak in Russian. I go to this yeshiva where most students are Russian Jewish boys. Very quickly, they're learning English and forgetting how to speak Russian, and I follow them pretty quickly. So it's not that we are speaking Russian entirely, but I never had a purely kind of immersion American experience. I never had the situation where in American school and I don't dare to speak my immigrant language and it's sink or swim. It was in that way a pretty gradual adjustment, even if the religion aspect is so new and shocking. Language-wise, and especially since I've had I was taught English from the first grade. It was a specialized language learning school I went to in Ukraine. So coming there where people can help me out and drop the Russian word if I'm not familiar, along with the education I already had in English, it was a very smooth transition.
Yeah.